Right, YouTube. This is your boy Chef Price. Right now tinobika nonzi sapatina. Kudya kwakaropafadzwa, kudya kwakakomborwa nababa Joan. So it is today. We wanna cook one of my chips stew. Do you see it? I don't know my chips stew here. Now I mean I don't remember. But my chips, my potatoes, my sapatina, my patatis, akasangana ne my tomatis. You understand? So let's make it together. Guys, gotta wake up mama. Nada jera nchigara mchimbere. Dena to mugira ndava tunokwata so. Izo zo washing yangu yakazara. Dishirese. Nonzi chi washing basket yese. Yenda peni sango na mchimbere. Yatoro sapatina. Ile zamana now to go get some tomatoes. I think I need a potato peeler, right? Because the banga hish. I don't know what's up. But ile zamana let's menya my potatoes. Dukush gamanga 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more potatoes. Isusu bachi kono bika chikafu chizo adese baba. You understand? La sera zoti makota uye mangwana siyati bikira. Kana 3 days. Because nezuro ndakazononoka kubika. Ndakwenda kutasho. Ndikuona yavharo. Amani yeruka. Kunditi nditange kubika shit andobika andakusuka kuma plates. But guys, I still let the finance are. There's not a conflicts, imagine. My conflicts. I think those don't go. Yeah, I'm on. I should go. But yeah. I know that you don't know. I'm a shit nyan. Oh shit. Hey, you guys, when it's a later. They're not convincing because peace. Yes, sir. That's so too. Sapatina kujika kwakaropafadzwa nababa Joan. Saka panapa we are peeling the potatoes. My potatoes in Pick n Pay akashata. Pick n Pay era tenge padza unokatori more fresh than in Pick n Pay because I have to karusvava. But anyways, yeah. So guys, we'll show you can macheka into chips. Right. Can I sing what I saw? Touch that so much. Tag chega my porero. Like this. That's one material, remember. That's one material. Munhu wako anozvigonera. Kana zvogonekwa nemunhu wangu chete. Ouch. Let me do this. Now I will check into poreros, baba. Okay. Like this. Okay. Now I'll show you going down some aromas. So guys, after cleaning my potatoes, now we need to put the tomatoes. So yeah, I'm gonna cut in the tomatoes. This is how you slice a tomato. I know you don't know. I know unongoita chakara chiriri. Unongocheka unge munhu asinokwana. But yeah, you can take notes from Chef Price. And then like this. Like this. Like this. You see? And then no boys to cut over there, so like this. So this is how we slice a tomato. So guys, after cutting the tomato, I'm gonna cut in the onion, and then I'll show you the spice that I'm gonna use. So stay tuned on game. Our first spice that we're gonna be using Goraja, curry powder. We got paprika. Where is this one from? Alright, we got paprika. As you can see, to chikafu chite food coloring as well. We got garlic, creamy garlic. This one as well. I couldn't find the garlic this one, but yeah, I'm gonna use the cream garlic soup karinga. And also we're gonna use this beef usawi mix. We're gonna put it there also. I think I don't have to put this one. Let me not put this one. Yeah, because the last time I overlaid the spices and the food was not nice. So let me leave this one. And lastly, but not on list, just gonna season the aromat, and then obvious salt. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay. So as you can see, our pot. So let's start with the paprika. This one is gonna make the potatoes young reddish. You understand? It's gonna color the potatoes. So it's gonna be a little bit much. Okay, I think it's enough. Yeah. And then let's put this one, garlic powder. I don't know how much to put. Let me just do like garlic nyana. Okay, I think that's enough. And then this one I can put it on top. Gonna capture it. So let me just to enhance flavor. Let me just like okay. I think that's enough. And then this one is kind of important when making potatoes. Even if you don't have spices, you can use this one only. Watch it. I think we have to, since it's curry, there's curry already, and this is curry and there's paprika already. So I don't like the food which is hot. So I think that's enough, right? Okay. Now we have to add the salt. See? Okay. Salt. That's enough. I think it's better to add the plate than one. And now, of course, the water. Let's add the water. You know the kwata. Nakazisondika mchembero wangu kwata. So far kwata sotungoiva zvakadaro. Kwakutongovharo. So yeah, let's put it on the stove. Okay. So yeah. And then we're gonna close and then leave it to boil. Now let's put rice and then continue with our dish. Okay. Now we have to add our rice. Guys, I'm using someone's cup like quite a cut of this. I think I'm gonna put 2 of these. Since we got cup, so if I add the first cup like this, first cup, you can see, and then let's add the second cup as well. Second cup. Okay. So here, the second cup. So those who didn't know, if you wanna cook rightly, what you do is, if you don't want to put a lot of water or of rashoma, you measure with the cup that you use with the rice. So you're gonna measure with this one. So we need to put 3 cups here. 1, right, and then 2. This is how I cook rice. I don't wash rice. I know there's different ways of cooking rice, but this is how I cook it, and I don't wash it. And I don't want that sugar. 3 cups, right? Now I have to add salt. Right? Then after adding salt, I have to add some cooking oil. Right, like this. Let's open it. That's not a lot. Oh, forgot to add cooking oil and potatoes as well. Let me add. So yeah, like that. Tap to roast up a stove, and then it's done. So let's put it on the stove, and then yeah. So okay, like this. Then we close. Guys, don't mind my stove is dirty in the area because I started to clean it up. So let's add some cooking oil as well in our potatoes. Okay, like this. So yeah, let's wait for the food to be done, guys. Now we must place around mirror manja. Ha, yes. Now I have to do some dishes and then clean the area there because everything is just scattered here. You know what I'm saying? And then after as well, I need to clean my room. Yeah. Look how it is looking. And there's washing bay in there. This is what I ate yesterday. Can you imagine, guys? I think now for a whole time. I did not even finish it because the brand that I bought is not even good. And there's someone who told me the place. My colleagues are saying that yeah, that's like a cheap rate. Anyways, let's do some dishes. And then let's do some dishes. We're waiting for the food to be done. So let's get it on gang. Oh, but guys, I think it's better for me to tell that deal is boss why? Can I sing in a near obviously I'll be very tired and then but do advantage can and then charge go rest and so if I make the bed first and sweep the room and stuff, and then after that I'll go wash the dishes while found it. It's called multitasking. And then I think it's one on buzzer. So now let me bed my bed and then go and cook my food. So yeah, let's get it on gang. So yeah guys, I had to fast forward. You understand? I had to fast forward. But anyways, I can now see it's sapatina. That's my bullets. I got my boys. My 2 minutes. But yeah, as you can see, it's sapatina. Santiago Benabao is clean. So yeah, now let's go and do the shows in here. Let's get it. Let's check here into what's popping. Oh, I think we need to add some water there. And then what's popping here? Yeah, it's going well. Let me leave it like this. So yeah. Learn the sapatina. Kuchika kwakaropa pazona babajowana. Kuchika kwakakomborera, kuchika kunoyera. Sweet. Samana. Now not I'm very cool about table. Maybe we food to know. I don't even know what's the water is not supposed to go in there. But anyways, let's go to Cheram Flash too. So yes, so I just hope so big and so every come just like in the area. I don't know food, but at least my boy gonna go outside. My public tips. You're coming to my channel Sakaya. For I supposed to go kumba. So yeah, man, the potatoes are done. They look dry, I know, but yeah, I don't like my potatoes like that. Since that's the one I'm doing, you understand? They're done. Okay. Let me close here. Then here, the rice is done as well. I know some of you were doubting my method. Young ways as not going to guess another say, but yeah, the rice is done. Now, the most stressing part is this one. This is the most stressing part. So I'm going to suke and then we eat after. But I think the best way to andaja. And then andaja no go suka my place kawan. So I can go pakura and then doje. Then after that, do I say? No way that you go to my place no go masuka kawan. Because yeah, she goes to suka after in green. But still after that, watching that should be another go. Let me see what I can do, man. Let me see. Maybe I'll just rest in 2 minutes and then I'll continue. So yeah, stay tuned. So yeah, man, please rate my food out of a 10, man. I want to kumbiro. Rate my food out of a 10, baba. Hey, wow. So this is mayo, garnish with some aromat nyana sauce, and then some potatoes and stuff. Guys, please rate my food. Rate my food. Amana, who doesn't need a husband that can cook like me? Who? Unfortunately, I'm taken, but yes. Anyways, guys, now let me go and chow some food. After chowing, and then I will do some house chores. And that's how I'm kids. So yeah, let's get it. This is looking so delicious, man. I don't wanna lie. Let's taste. Guys, let me show you how yummy it is looking. Yo. Okay. Maybe you're underrating the yumminess. So yummy and so juicy. Akakomborerwa zvake musikana wangu. Imagine kudana na mofu apo achigona kubika. Yes. So you guys are done washing the dishes, as you can see, and yeah, wipe the sink. The sink is clean. As you can see, the kitchen is clean and everything is clean. So yeah, now let me go and sleep. Anyways, I beg that thank you for watching the video today. Please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have reached to this far, type with chef praise in the comment section. Chef praise. You understand? And if you want more of this, let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys. The road to 14,000. I love you so much. Peace out.